Hello, my name is Pilar Lee, and welcome to the Arts at Georgia Tech. Currently, I'm next to the massive Einstein statue located on Tech Green. Today, I had the pleasure of discussing this statue and the Rosa Parks statue located in Harrison Square with Dr. Raphael Bras.
Arts at Tech is an initiative that resulted from our strategic planning activities. And the whole idea is to use the arts as part of the educational creative process of our students. When we do engineering, when we do science, when we do business, the process of innovation, the process of creation is very similar as that of the arts. And many of our students are very artistic, so we figured that combining them would promote and make them better. The Einstein and the Rosa Parks pieces have unique meanings. Einstein piece has the concept of the stereotypical scientist, the perfect example of science at its best, but a person that was dedicated to human rights. So if you go to the Einstein piece, you will see that there has inscriptions around it related to the UN Charter of Human Rights. And if you look at the front of the Einstein piece on the floor, which is a black granite, it has stars embedded in it. And that's the stars representing the sky in Atlanta on December 10th, 1948, which was when the charter was signed, the Human Rights Charter. So it has a lot of meaning. Everybody at Georgia Tech these days goes and takes a picture with Einstein. It is the place where every graduating senior goes with the family. It's the place where visitors go and they take a selfie or somebody takes a picture. It's become a symbol centrally to the campus, and it's so unique in the world. And it's an opportunity then to remind people about the value of science, the value of knowledge, and also the value of good values, of commitment to things like human rights. And Rosa Parks speaks for itself. She was an extraordinary leader of the civil rights movement. And we want to make sure that everybody in our community never forgets. Rosa Parks' piece, which again was brought the idea by the artist in this case, Martin Doe. Martin Doe is a member of our Arts Initiative Advisory Board. He's a local artist, not Georgia Tech directly connected, but his mentor was a Georgia Tech professor many years. So Martin came up with the idea of this Rosa Parks concept of having Rosa Parks at 92 speaking to the Rosa Parks at 42, 50 years. That also coincided with 50 years of the civil rights movement. And it was allegorically incredible because it also has a third seat that is empty. So the name of the piece that we gave it was Continuing the Conversation. It's inviting the public to come and sit and talk to the Rosas about what happened during those 50 years and what still needs to happen. There are times that I simply go out of my office if I want a break and I just walk to the Einstein or walk to the Rosa Parks piece, and there's always somebody there. There's always somebody just looking. There's always somebody taking a picture.
The next time you're walking around campus, think about continuing the conversation and being inspired by the pieces around you. For the Arts at Georgia Tech, I'm Pilar Lee. Thanks for watching.